Yeah, hi guys, very good morning. So guys, now let me tell you about today's activities. As you know that I'm shooting all the activities these days in order to make a story so that this story can help you out. And you can also learn how to create some stories of your daily life activities. Well guys, today around, I got up around 6:30 in the morning. After that I got fresh. I went to the nearby park, I took exercise, then I came back to my home. After that, I drank that raisin water, which is quite good for health. It detoxifies the liver. And then I got a message from my son's school that it's teachers' parents meeting today. So I have to go there. That's why I got dressed up. I just wore formal dress and I'm going there. But in the message it was written that all the parents are supposed to come wearing mask. Okay. I don't have any fresh mask, so I have come to the chemist shop. As you can see, this is the chemist shop. So I'm going to order a mask. So, do you have any mask? Give me a mask. Some people say that, sir, whenever you talk to some other people, you speak in Hindi. It all depends whether the other people understand English or not. And I mean, how can I start suddenly speaking English? But today I'm trying. So, do you have mask, buddy? Give me a mask. I was searching for a mask, and he got this mask. And he's also wearing a mask because the video is being shot. It's fresh. So I've got this mask, so I'm going to use this mask, guys. Now I'm going for the parents teachers meeting, and after that when I come back, then I'll again shoot some footages, guys. Stay connected. Thank you. Hi guys. So guys, now I have come back to my home from the school. Now let me tell you the story, guys. So having bought the mask from the chemist shop, I went to the school and pushing the small door of the gate, I entered inside and I saw that there were approx 12 to 15 people sitting. All were wearing masks, and I thought that whom should I ask about the classroom where I have to go to meet the teacher of my son. So I started moving forward. Then suddenly I saw that a lady who was beautiful and chubby started indicating me. She was showing her finger to me. I could not figure out what she wanted to say. Then I saw hither and thither the direction where she was showing the finger. So I could not figure out like what to do, what not to do. Sometimes I was going backward, sometimes I was going rightward, leftward. When I failed to figure out what that lady wanted to say, then I saw that she got up from her seat and started moving towards me. I inwardly started cursing myself for not having a good common sense. I thought that now she's coming to me and what she wants to say, I'm not able to understand. When she was a meter away from me, then she said that sanitize your hands. Oh god, I just heaved a sigh of relief and I saw that there was a stand to which a bottle, a sanitizer bottle was attached, and everyone entering the premises of that school was supposed to sanitize his or her hands before going to the classroom of the teacher. I did the same. After that, the lady said that you have to go to first floor to meet the class teacher of your child. Then I went to first floor, and before entering the room, I said, "May I come in?" There was a lady, the teacher of my son, sitting on the chair, and the lady looked around 40 years old. She was wearing alluring sari and she was in full makeup. She had limpid and blue eyes. I noticed everything. Okay. And she asked me to come in. I went inside. She asked me to sit. I sat. After that, we started having a conversation about Akshat's performance. She said that Akshat speaks very good English. I said thank you. And then she said that you have to work on his reading skill and writing skill. I said, okay, I will do my level best. After that, she handed over that report card to me, and having taken the report card, I went to the principal office because that teacher had told me to go to meet the principal. When I went to the principal office, she said that you have to buy the books for class second because your son has been promoted to class second. So go to blah blah room and grab your books, purchase the books from there. I said okay. So I went to the room where the bookseller was sitting, surrounded with a lot of books. I asked him to give me class second books. So he gave me whatever the book set was there. So the price of the book set was 2,500 rupees. I paid that amount, and after that I came out of the school. Then I made a call to my wife and I said that okay, I bought the books. Do I need to buy something else? Then she said that how many notebooks are there? I said that there are 6 notebooks. Then she said that I already have some notebooks, so don't buy notebooks, only buy books. Then again I went back to that room where the bookseller was there, and I told him to take these notebooks back and give me some money for that. He said, no, it's not possible, you should have told me earlier. Then I started having a verbal altercation with him, and after that verbal altercation, anyhow I managed to convince him, and he took those 6 notebooks back and returned me some money. After that I came back to my home, and now I'm shooting this video. So this is what happened today. So it was the first situation of the day which I faced, and maybe I come across so many situations, but I'm thinking that I should edit this video and upload right now, and if I come across any other situation, that I will make another video for that, because I don't want video to be very long. So guys, these days whatever I am doing, I am recording just because I would like to teach you that how to do storytelling practice. So whatever you do every day, just take your mobile phone, start recording, and watch your video again and again in order to check whether you are committing any mistake or not. So this is how you have to practice, guys, and this is the main method to be fluent. Or else you go to any institute, they will claim to teach you within 3 months, but it's not going to happen. There is no magic, nothing. Nobody can teach you spoken English until you try. You have to try, guys. Okay? No institute is required. If you are intelligent enough, just learn structures. No need to go to an institute. Start practicing. You need to do practice. You always ask question that how will I come to know whether I am speaking good English, it's wrong or right. If you know the structures, then you can observe. Start recording whatever you are seeing. Either go for the video recording or audio recording. Check, buddy. Or if there is any senior, if there is anybody else who speaks better English, then you just ask him, talk to him. You have to do everything, guys. Otherwise, keep wasting money. Nothing is going to help you out. Anyways, this is all. Thank you, guys. Stay connected and see you in another episode. Till then, take care, keep practicing and have fun. Thank you, guys.